Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online event planning with Eventbrite easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Eventbrite website by typing the URL into your browser. Click on the sign up or login button at the top right corner. If you're a new user, fill in your details or sign in with your existing account. Once logged in, locate the Create Event button on your dashboard. Select it to start setting up your online event. Choose the type of event you're organizing, such as a webinar or virtual meeting. Fill in the event name, date, and time in the provided fields. Upload an eye-catching cover image to attract more attendees. Next, add a detailed description of your event to inform your participants. Specify the ticket types you want to offer, such as free, paid, or donation-based. Set the ticket quantity and pricing, if applicable. Adjust your privacy settings to determine who can see your event. Include any co-hosts or speakers by clicking the relevant option. Next, link your event with video conferencing tools if you are hosting online. Select your video streaming service from the integrations available. Customize your registration form by adding any specific questions for attendees. Review all your entered details to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click the Publish button to make your event live. Share your event link on social media and through email to maximize your reach. Monitor your event dashboard for ticket sales and attendee engagement. Make any adjustments as necessary to increase attendance or enhance experience. After the event concludes, gather feedback from your attendees for future improvements. Use Eventbrite's analytics tools to evaluate your event's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.